turnout here at the Kingston Waterfront. A lot of people turned out for the event. And I assume that it was worthwhile because persons are still here. So fortunately, the One Love family will still be able to see some amount of activity. Apparently there'll still be a little sail off. So we're lucky. So you could say we almost missed it. It would have been extremely disappointing. But I'm happy that there's some kind of activity that we'll be able to capture.
On January 13, 2025, the Jamaica Defense Force hosted the grand opening ceremony of Exercise Event Horizon 2025 at the Kingston Waterfront. This landmark event showcased military cooperation, innovation, and resilience, attracting both local and international attention. The public eagerly gathered on the recreational lawns of Bank of Jamaica, embracing the opportunity to witness this significant military event. Exercise Event Horizon 2025 marks an important milestone